que no nos comemos. Nos hablamos pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo que yo estoy pa' ti. Y tú hace tiempo que estás pa' mí. Hace tiempo que no lo.
Good morning. It is day 2 and we ordered room service. Eggs, sausage. I think there's some kind of tomato. We both have coffee, watermelon, bread, and then Tasha got the Caribbean breakfast, which comes with all of this stuff.
On day 2, we toured the city, and I was absolutely amazed at how people were just driving through the flooded streets like it was no big deal at all. There were people outside cooking, people on the porch playing cards, and they were just going on with their daily lives. We purchased a Cartagena city tour. It was a 7-hour private tour that also included San Felipe, the convent, and the wall city.
Pegasus, according to the Greek mythology, are the son of the god of the sea, Poseidon.
Si confía que nadie como yo se lo haría. ¿Qué pasa, siervo? Que no entienden nada. No somos exclusivas, pero solo me lo da. No queremos títulos más. Disfrutar es la prioridad. Aunque pase el tiempo, nunca cambiará. Llámame a las 9, a las 8 estaré allá. No queremos títulos más. Disfrutar es la prioridad. Hace tiempo que no nos comemos. Nos hablamos, pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo que yo estoy.
Buenas, ¿qué pasó de arriba?
Are you taking a picture? Yeah. Doesn't like we can go.
So what happened? You said it's a mudslide?
Sorry?
Mudslide? Oh, the rocks.
The rocks.
What?
Moved in down the mountain, and they're covering the road.
Oh, okay. So like a rock slide.
Y'all, the power is out, so we have to use our cell phones to see like the merchandise. We're trying to shop. Has this ever happened to you before? Very interesting.
Nos hablamos pero no nos vemos. Baby, hace tiempo que yo estoy pa' ti. Y tú hace tiempo que ya estás pa' mí. Tímida pero no es santa. Tira esas cenizas al fuego. Modélame minifalda. Tranqui que se la quito.
Oh, I don't think you can get the church. Yeah, you
really out here in the rain.
Y'all, we saw so many people take their shoes off and just cross the street.
Si confía que nadie como yo se lo haría. ¿Qué pasa, siervo? Que no entienden nada. No somos exclusivas, pero solo me lo da. No queremos títulos más. Disfrutar es la prioridad. Aunque pase el tiempo, nunca cambiará. Llámame a las 9, a las 8 estaré allá. No queremos títulos más.
Next stop is the Emerald Museum. Once you enter the museum, it gives you a history of the emeralds. Then we entered a cave where they did the mining of the emeralds.
In the world, there are 3 countries that
They even have a worker transporting the emeralds.
And of course, the Colombian emerald is the first in the world for the prestigious and quality. Okay? Colombia produces 60% in the world. Petra has the better emerald because the emerald has the hexagonal form. Is the green. Is the crystallization. Okay? Is the brilliant.
Wow.
The emerald, the polished emerald is all in paint. The diamond is different because it is called machine.
Trata de festejar. estar, celebramos el bienestar. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más. Nada me rompe, no, no, nada me rompe.
I'm getting the
Todo agarro y
canoa
el pescado de
and the limonada de coco.
Nada me rompe. Tantas estrellas brillan, quiero un carro que corra más.
Got back from our first tour. I'll put the name of the tour that we did, but I mean, it's been fun. It's raining, so you just have to roll with it. We've been riding in the rain, we've been out in the rain. My hair has shrunk, as you can see. It's wet right now, but you know, sometimes you just have to live life. It's just a little different. Let me tell y'all what Tasha did before she come out here. Oh, here she comes. So this is tour guide 101, right? When you ask the tour guide to eat lunch with you, you're supposed to pay. We had to pay for the tour guide. Tasha was like, my part is such and such. I'm like, oh no, we have to pay for him. And then when she said something to him, he tried to act like he was ignoring you. Did you see that? Did you? Yeah, I was like, yeah, he know he ain't supposed to pay. But yeah, so we got that all squared away. We are told by the natives here that the sun is peeking out and we're gonna get some sun, so we'll see. But right now we are going to the bar. Yeah, let me show y'all the people at the beach. So we got, what happened to the people? Okay, so the people left the pool area, but you see you got some people there on the beach. It's raining, and then it was about 20 people over here where those waves are. Right here, right there, and right there, but it looks like everybody went in. It's probably time for dinner. And these people are just in the lounge chairs in the rain because it's raining out there. I do want to get on this slide though before I leave. Even if I have to do it in the rain, I'm gonna do it.
So Tasha ordered a Medellin on the rocks, and this is what they gave her. You see that? That's how much she got. She has not drunk out of this glass. I wonder how much this is. You might need to say a triple.